Airbnb Booking Platform Review. Welcome to our review of the Airbnb booking platform. Links to Airbnb and related resources are included in the description below. In this video, we'll cover its key features, who it's designed for, and why it's become a go-to platform for travelers seeking unique and flexible accommodation options. Airbnb is tailored for travelers looking for personalized and diverse lodging experiences. Unlike traditional booking platforms, Airbnb specializes in connecting users with hosts, offering unique accommodations such as private homes, apartments, cabins, tiny houses, and even one-of-a-kind stays like castles and yurts. This makes it ideal for solo travelers, families, groups, and those seeking something more memorable than a standard hotel room. One of Airbnb's standout features is its extensive global inventory, spanning over 100,000 cities in nearly every country. The platform allows you to book anything from a single room in a shared home to entire properties, giving you complete control over your level of privacy and budget. The detailed search filters, such as location, price range, property type, amenities, and guest ratings, make it easy to find the perfect match. Airbnb's flexible cancellation policies are another advantage. Depending on the host's settings, you can often adjust or cancel bookings with minimal hassle. Additionally, the Airbnb Experiences section allows you to book local tours, workshops, and activities curated by hosts, adding another layer of personalization to your trip. For travelers on a budget, Airbnb often offers a cost-effective alternative to hotels, especially for longer stays or when traveling in groups. Hosts and guests alike are vetted through identity verification and reviews, ensuring a safer booking process. The platform also provides a robust support system, including 24/7 customer service should any issues arise during your stay. In summary, Airbnb is perfect for travelers looking for flexibility, variety, and a sense of connection with local culture. Whether you're planning a short city break or an extended vacation, Airbnb has options to suit every need. Explore the links in the description to start planning your next adventure with Airbnb today.